Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing a clean, well-lit face photo so the app has clear reference points. Once done, tap Face Edit Mode and import the image, then crop to frame forehead through chin. This reduces automatic misalignment. Make sure to enable camera and storage permissions so the app can save edits. You'll notice facial guides or mesh appear. Use them to confirm eyes, nose, and mouth align. This initial setup speeds later tools and improves retouch accuracy. Now you refine features with sliders and layer controls to shape the face without overdoing it. You'll use smoothing and texture sliders first. Small moves look natural, so set smoothing low and texture moderate. Then switch to geometry tools to nudge eye size, jawline, or nose width, using preview toggles to compare before and after. Make sure to work on a duplicate layer or use the app's history stack so you can revert changes. This preserves the original for later adjustments. Finish by balancing color and detail so the edit reads naturally. You'll correct white balance and exposure, tweak highlights and shadows, then add subtle sharpening to bring back perceived detail. Once done, preview at 100% and export in original resolution, or choose one for social uploads. If you notice halos or patchy artifacts, make sure to step back. Reduce effect sliders, apply the healing or clone tool on problem areas, and re-export. A quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.